Vishnu ji, Namaskar.
Namaskar.
This place is very pleasant and spiritual and very good. There are lots of lotus flower in lake. So, what is the spiritual significance of lotus flower in spiritual Indian literature?
Yeah, Prashant, you asked a very significant question about this all these lotus flowers. First of all, I want to say you the land where lotus flowers arose is a naturally spiritual land, and it is very suitable for spiritual practices like meditation and chanting or whatever the form you do your Krishna bhakti. That's why, Prashant, lotus flower is shown in many of the gods and demigods which are sitting on the lotus flower. Even Brahmaji also sitting on a lotus flower. Ma Devi Bhagavati Lakshmi, that is also you already seen that in the pictures in your house, that Lakshmi is standing on the lotus flower. Why the gods and demigods are not standing or not sitting on the all other flowers? They selected lotus flower. That is the significance of lotus flower. The lotus flower is the very first flower in this universe which is getting created by Brahmaji, because the lotus which arose from which sprouts from Narayana, Bhagwan Narayana's Nabhi, that means core. Bhagwan Narayana is all pervading, you know about that. And from his Nabhi, that means core part of that principal phenomena or Narayana Tattva. In Indian spiritual science, that is called Brahma or Narayan Tattva. From that Narayan Tattva, infinite sea, ocean of Narayan Tattva, and from that core of that ocean, the Srishti, that means creation, begins from a lotus flower. And Brahmaji, even Brahmaji doesn't know about from where this lotus flower came. And they thought thousands of years from where this flower came. They didn't know. And they made penas, their penas, for thousands of years. And after that, they recognize the root of that flower, and that is Bhagwan Vishnu. And Bhagwan Vishnu is there are many forms, Varaha, Kurma, and Bhagwan Ram and Krishna also, their incarnations. Bhagwan Vishnu is father of gods, and as you know, I am Vishnu Das. That means I think there is no any other position such high as a Das of Vishnu. Vishnu Das is the highest position in this universe, because Bhagwan Vishnu declares himself as a Das of his Das. That means Bhagwan Vishnu imagines himself as a servant of his servant, because you know the Charitra of Sudama. Bhagwan, whatever you imagine, it is impossible to say what Bhagwan can do for his Das. There is a famous Maharashtrian Sant, Tukaramji Maharaj, and a thorn which is put in the foot of Tukarama's spouse, and Tukaram is always engaged himself in chanting of Vithala, 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 Vithala. And the effect of that chanting, what is done? Bhagwan Vishnu himself came on this earth, and for what? To remove the thorn from the feet of Tukarama's spouse. What a simple incarnation, simple form God has taken for his Das. That means the creator, the owner of this entire universe, was also wish, he has a will to serve to his servant. And that's why I am telling you, Prashant, that there is no one platform, highest platform like Vishnu Das you can reach to. You must have to put your goal in your life to be a Vishnu Das. And that is the spiritual significance of lotus flower. Okay, thank you.